Hi, so in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the average, the minimum and the maximum given a set of information, a set of data like this. These are salaries and these are the names of people. So first of all, we want to find the average salary. If you want to find the average salary, we type in the formula in this cell, the cell that you want the average salary to come in. We type in is equal to, then we type average, then open brackets, then select the first cell in the range of cells. Then you type in a colon, then select the last cell, then you close brackets and press enter. So 6,600 is the average salary, that is the average of these numbers. Then to find the minimum, we type in is equal to min, then open brackets, then select the first cell, then colon, then select the last cell, then close brackets and press enter. So this is the minimum salary, that is the lowest salary. If we look at these numbers, 4,500 is the lowest number. Then to find the maximum, we type in is equal to, then type max, then open brackets, then select the first cell in the range of cells, then type in a colon and select the last cell and close brackets like this and press enter. So this is the maximum salary, that is the highest number in this range of cells. So this is how you find the average, minimum and maximum given a set of data. Thank you for watching my video. May you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Free Tutorials AW, for more video tutorials.